Understanding Collective Tribute, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts. Collective tribute. It's a term that encompasses unity, respect, and remembrance. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the meaning of this phrase but also how it's used in real-life situations. So, let's dive in. Collective tribute is a compound noun that consists of two words, collective and tribute. To understand the phrase fully, let's break it down. Collective refers to something done by people acting as a group. It emphasizes unity and togetherness. Tribute is a word that means an act, statement, or gift that is intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. When combined, collective tribute signifies an act of respect or admiration carried out by a group of people together. It's a way of showing solidarity and honoring someone or something important. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples where a collective tribute is commonly observed. 1. Memorial services, when people come together to remember and honor the life of someone who has passed away. 2. Retirement celebrations, colleagues may come together to celebrate and honor the career and contributions of a retiring coworker. 3. Public art projects. Communities may create art or memorials as a tribute to significant events or figures, reflecting a shared sentiment. These examples show how collective tributes can take various forms, but the core idea remains the same: a group coming together to express respect and admiration. Understanding the meaning behind collective tribute helps us appreciate the power of community and solidarity. It strengthens bonds. Participating in a collective tribute can bring people closer together, creating a sense of belonging and unity. Preserves memories. These tributes serve as a way to remember and honor the past, ensuring that significant individuals or events are not forgotten. Promotes healing. For many, being part of a collective tribute can be a healing experience, helping individuals process grief or celebrate achievements together. In conclusion, collective tribute is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of community, respect, and remembrance. Whether it's through a solemn ceremony or a joyful celebration, these tributes remind us of the strength found in coming together to honor and remember. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of collective tributes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.